So now let's see how we can insert out horizontal, vertical, and radial tree inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, if you were to go around under the Arrange menu, you can go under Insert, and under Layout, you can see the horizontal, vertical, and radial tree option right here. If I were to go around under the horizontal tree, then you can see that there's a shape right here, and I can click on the expansion button right here, and it brings up the horizontal tree format, as you can see right here. And you got this line right here, and it is more of a tree format as I were to click on this, as you can see right here. Everything is in horizontal format, and you can go around and change up the shape right here as well by clicking on the yellow dot. You can go around and double click anywhere and type in whatever you want right here, just like this as well, and expand this out over here just like this. So if I were to click on Insert, then you can see that the horizontal line is inserted over here just like this. Let me just delete this right here and go under the Arrange menu. And if you were to go around under the Insert option, you can go around under the Layout option and select Vertical Tree over here just like this. And similarly, just like the horizontal tree, everything comes up vertically right here as you click on it right here just like this. And you can insert it out over here as well. Apart from that, you can also insert out a radial tree. So it looks a bit different. So if I were to go around under Insert and then go under Layout and go for Radial Tree, then you can see that it is more of a radial format as I click on this right here. It goes more like on a radial direction as I add in more shapes right here. Let's just go around onto Start, and you can see that there's more radial option right here just like this. As you can see, you can click on this right here, and then you can see everything gets arranged out in a radial order right here as I click on the shapes right here just like this. And that is how you can insert out horizontal and vertical or even radial tree inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.